What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for new coaches, content creators, and entrepreneurs. In today's video, I want to share with you some of my favorite ninja hacks when it comes to repurposing your content on social media. If you're subscribed to my channel or you enjoy watching my videos, I have a feeling you're likely a content creator. And a problem that I see happen a lot is that a lot of content creators burn out simply because they don't know how to repurpose their content and use their old content and stretch it out even further. That's why if you want to learn how you can be more efficient in your content creation journey, then keep on watching. Now, the first tip that I have for you is to leverage your transcriptions. Now, this tip is going to be super important, especially if you are a YouTuber or you're a podcaster. Anytime you do something audio or video, make sure that you actually get the transcription of that file. For example, in my channel or in my business, I have transcriptions for all of my YouTube videos because it's necessary for me to make my YouTube videos caption friendly. But what I also do is I take that transcription, and by the way, I use rev.com for my transcriptions. I have a link in my description box below. What I do is I take that transcription and then I multiply it by embedding it in my newsletters, I embed it in my blog posts, I sometimes take it and put it into my Instagram captions and even my Facebook posts. That's why if you already have existing rich long form content such as podcast episodes or YouTube videos, you definitely want to leverage that transcription piece. Use something like rev.com, take the text and then use it for your other platforms as well, so you don't have to constantly produce new content every single time. Not only this, as a bonus tip, what you can also do is you can read your transcriptions over again and take key points from your videos and actually expand on those videos or expand on those podcast points a little bit more in a new video or on a new podcast episode. For a lot of us content creators, we don't realize how much information we truly jam pack into a piece of content. That's why having the transcription is handy, because you could simply pass it off to a VA, pass it off to someone on your team, or simply pass it off to yourself to reread that transcription and get key points, key takeaways from it so you can expand further in your other content pieces. Now, the second ninja hack that I have for you when it comes to repurposing your content and getting more traffic to your content pieces is this, and that is claiming your Instagram account on Pinterest and reposting or resharing your Instagram content on Pinterest as well. Now, what does it mean to claim your account on Pinterest? It's very simple. When you claim your account on Pinterest, and in a bit I'll show you a tutorial on how to do that, every time someone shares something from your Instagram account, the pin will be attributed to you. Versus if someone were to share your content from Instagram and you didn't claim your account, then it's really easy for someone to actually take credit for that photo or take credit for that piece of content. Versus when you claim your account, all the attributions go to you. And what's going to be great about that is that that traffic is going to go to you as well. So as promised, let me share my screen and show you quickly how you can claim your Instagram account on Pinterest. Hey guys, so right now we are on my Pinterest account. What we're going to do is we're going to click these three dots right here, go to edit settings, and then right here on this page, we're going to go to claim. And here you're going to be able to do a lot of things like claim your website, claim your Instagram, your Etsy, or your YouTube account. And again, like I said, what this means is that if someone is sharing your content on your website or sharing your content on your Instagram, Etsy, or YouTube, it's going to link back to you, the source. So it decreases the chances of people taking credit for your content. Now at this point, I've already claimed my social media account. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you click claim, and Pinterest will actually walk you through step by step how you can link your account. Now, as you can see, claiming your Instagram account on Pinterest is pretty easy, but beyond this, every time that you post something on Instagram, make sure that you're also resharing to Pinterest as well, and also Facebook if you really want to. This is going to help you maximize the amount of traffic that you're going to drive to your Instagram page without you necessarily putting in a lot of work. That's why I highly recommend you do this whenever you're posting a new Instagram post on Instagram. Now, the third ninja hack that I want to share with you that's going to allow you to get even more reach whenever you're doing content is to go live on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. What this means is that whenever I'm going live on my Facebook page, I'm also making sure that my phone is right in front of my computer, so I'm going live on Instagram as well. This allows me to kill two birds with one stone. But beyond this, to take it a step further, what I also do is on Facebook, I make sure that my live stream is also shared to my private free Facebook group, Turn Your Followers into Clients, so that the people in my Facebook group can also watch the live stream as well. Not only this, on the Instagram side of things, after I've gone live, what I do is I save that live, and if it's under 15 minutes long, I then save it as an IGTV. This allows for that content piece to last a lot longer. That's why if you are going live on Instagram, just make sure that it's under 15 minutes so that it can be converted into an IGTV. As you can see so far in this video, we talked a lot about how you can repurpose your content on multiple platforms without necessarily creating new content, so that you can save a lot more time in your business. At the end of the day, you want to be able to save this time, get off the content hamster wheel, so that you can focus on other things that are actually going to generate you more revenue in your business, such as getting more clients. That's why if you're interested in learning a little bit more, make sure you download my free guide that's going to teach you how you can streamline your business so that you can get more clients on Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, if you liked this video, make sure you hit the notification bell, because in my next video, I'm actually going to share some of my tips on how you can get quality followers into your account. Not the ghost followers, not followers that just don't engage with your content at all, actual quality followers that you want in your Instagram account. So again, make sure you hit that notification bell. In the meantime, while you wait for that video, I post a lot of content on social media, entrepreneurship, and coaching. So make sure you check out these two videos in the meantime as well. I promise they won't disappoint. As always, guys, I appreciate you. I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.